Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Ada, and today we are going to be unboxing the full line of the Bridgerton Bath & Body Works collab. I'm super excited because I love Bridgerton, I love Queen Charlotte. So when Bath & Body Works announced that they were doing a collaboration with them, I'm like, I need all the things. It's a very heavy box. I did take this out and put it together. It is so cute. It's a little carriage, and I put one of the hand sanitizers inside of it. The details on this are amazing. It is so adorable. I'm super happy with this. It's so cute. This is the blazer, and it is super, super detailed. I really love it. It's cute. This is actually the first time that I have bought these little keychain things for the hand sanitizers, because I just never really, I don't know, I never really felt the need to have it before. But when they came out with the Bridgerton line, I'm like, okay, I need that. Now I need it. And then, of course, I got this one, which is a cute little teapot. The worker at the Bath & Body Works that I went to pick up one of these bags, she actually had this one like clipped to her before my box had come in the mail. So I was super excited when I actually saw it in person, because it was so pretty in person. I'm like, I cannot wait to get mine. I did get all of the Bridgerton hand sanitizer scents. We have Queen Charlotte's Tea, Wisteria Garden, Bridgerton Study, then of course Diamond of the Season, Danbury Shortcake. So I got those, and then I got the Danbury, is it shortcake? It is shortbread. It is shortbread, not shortcake. Danbury Shortbread Foaming Hand Soap. And this one, it says that the fragrance notes are whipped vanilla, almonds, and sugar crystals. I can never open these things. Goodness. I love this one so much. It smells so good. It makes me want to eat it. Wisteria Garden, which, funny story, this has no wisteria in it. According to the notes. According to the notes. It says sweet rosewood, English rain, and lemon petals. Queen Charlotte's Tea. This one, I love it. It says it has rich bergamot, bold citrus, and black tea leaves. And you can really smell the citrus and the tea in this. It smells so good. I got another one of the Diamond of the Season. This one, I told y'all, I just love the smell of this one. Then I got another one of the Diamond of the Season body washes. I also have another one of the body creams, but someone took it out of my box, and it is somewhere else in my house right now. But I did get another one of those. We got another one of the foaming hand soaps, and this one is Bridgerton Study. I did get some of the 3-wick candles. The last unboxing, I only had like the single wick candles, and some of those, regrettably so. I believe the only one from the Bridgerton collection that has a single wicked candle is the Diamond of the Season. I believe all the rest of them, from what I saw, it was only the 3-wick candles. It comes packaged like this, like in the box, and it has like the little wrapper on the top to keep it from getting scuffed, I assume. That's what it looks like. You have the really pretty top on it. I really love that top. This one just, to me, it smells so peachy and so like bubbly. Like, I don't know how to explain that, but it smells very crisp. And I love this like kind of gold iridescentness to the jar. I like these because I love reusing glass jars and stuff. So those are gonna be really pretty to reuse. Oh, I hate boxes like this. Danbury Shortbread. Again, beautiful details on the tops. These ones kind of have like, it's like kind of textured. It's like textured around the edges. I think it's just like the plastic kind of label that's on it. Oh my god. If you could safely eat candles, I would eat this candle. Like, it smells so yummy. Like, oh my gosh, it's just so yummy. Now, if they had this one in like a body wash, a lotion, anything, I would buy the entire set a million times. Bridgerton Study. Look how beautiful that is. I forgot to list the notes earlier, but it's smooth amber, oak wood, and dried orchids. This one smells it smells really good. To me, it's kind of like, it's like masculine, but not like overbearing. I could see that being in like a library or something of that nature. Queen Charlotte's Tea. Gotta get that. And this one just smells, it smells like tea. It smells like a really good citrus tea. Wisteria Garden. Again, super, super pretty packaging. This one just has like a very pretty floral scent. Like it smells like a garden. I'm not sure what wisteria looks like or what wisteria smells like, but it does smell very pretty and very floral. So I had carded a candle holder that looked like a crown, but then I decided to uncard it because I'm like, I don't know that I would really use that, and I don't really like buying things that like I'm not going to use or they're not going to be useful. And I feel like something that you just stick your candle in, while it was very, very pretty and it was on theme, I didn't want to purchase it because it just, I don't know, I just changed my mind about it. Because like I said, I just wanted to get something that was useful. So that is what I did. Oh my gosh. This is so neatly packaged. Oh my gosh. How cute. How cute is this? It's a really pretty mirror. It has two sides to it. I assume one's like a magnifying thing, one's not. But then you can put your beauty products here. I'm gonna put like some fragrances on there. I'm super excited about this. It's a little bit smaller than I thought it would be, but I do have some fragrances that'll fit very, very nicely on there. Let me explain these bags. So in this bag, I decided that I wanted to get more of the hand sanitizers because I really, really like them. I have like these two I have that I got right kind of at the end of like winter. I got these because I really like the scents. And I just like them because they're super tiny and you can toss them in the bag. So what I did was I just ordered some for store pickup instead of having it shipped to the mail. The only issue I had with that was that my local store didn't have all 5 of the scents and they didn't have the bundle. So I ended up only being able to get 4 of the scents from the Bridgerton line where I was able to pick them up from my local store. So I got 2 additional of the Charlotte's Tea, 2 more of the Wisteria Garden, 2 more of the Diamond of the Season, 2 more of the Danbury Shortbread, which one of them is already inside the little carriage, and I'm going to clip that onto my bag. Then I got 2 more that were not a part of the Bridgerton collection because it was like a buy 5 for some odd price. So I got the Moisturizing Champagne Toast, which this one actually smells really, really good. And then in this bag, I was so frustrated because it was probably around the time that the original order that I purchased shipped that they had the 3-wick candles where it was like, I think it was like you buy one, you get one free, which had they had that sale running when I purchased the entire Bridgerton collection, it would have saved me like $60 some on the candles. So I was like, okay, well, I'm just going to order, you know, the 5 that I got. I'm going to get them for local pickup. And then when these ones arrive, I'll just take these back to the store and return them. So then I save the $65 for, you know, the discount that they're now running. So that's what I did. So I got these on the discount where I did the buy one, get one. I got an additional Diamond of the Season. And then, you know, the additional Bridgerton Study. Danbury Shortcake. I keep wanting to say shortcake, shortbread. Danbury Shortbread. Let's see. The Wisteria Garden and Queen Charlotte's Tea. Now, here's what happened. I didn't end up saving $65. I ended up just paying an additional $100 to have 5 more candles because when I got home with these ones from my local pickup before the original order arrived, we went and we smelled these And I'm like, oh my gosh, I love them so much. What am I going to do? So after talking to my husband, he's like, look, is it really worth, you know, the trip that you're going to make to the store to return them and standing in line and doing all that? Is all that energy going to be worth what you're saving? So we ended up just keeping them because we love the smells anyways. We love the scents of them. So we ended up just keeping all of them. So now we have 2 of every candle, actually it's 3 of every hand sanitizer. We're going to get more of the hand soaps because they smell amazing. And yes, and I have 2 of all of the body products that they have. So I think I'm good to go for a little bit on these. I'm going to repurpose these containers. So if you guys have any ideas on ways to repurpose them, because I'm going to have so many of them, definitely comment it down below. Let me know if you guys picked up anything from the Bridgerton line or any of the new scents that they have coming into Bath & Body Works. I would love to hear from you guys. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to consider becoming a channel member, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.